my name's Steve Ray. I'm here at Makita UK. I've got two new 18-volt rotary hammer SDS-PLUS machines to show you from Makita. Both machines, 1.4 joules of energy, 2 kilo hammer they're classed as. The engine, or the wattage on the motor, is 470 watts. They're both variable speed by the trigger. They have forward and reverse. They have the lock-on switch. Both double insulated machines with torque limiters as well. They've got a one-touch sliding SDS chuck, and they both have the lock-on button. Now the difference between the two, so you have that HR1840, which is the machine I have here, and the HR1841F. The difference between the two is the 1841F adds AVT to the machine, and it adds an LED job light. Now the AVT on this takes the vibration down 2.5 meters squared. So in the mains without AVT, you get 10 meters squared on vibration, which is still very comfortable. And then the AVT machine takes it down to 5.1 meters squared on the vibration. Both available from Toolstop now.